I am Gary, one of the waterproofing technicians from Australian Waterproofing Company. Our team believe that waterproofing of external wet areas, such as balconies and decks, are consistently among the most problematic areas for water ingress, affecting both domestic and commercial buildings. Australian Waterproofing Company has the perfect solution for these areas with our Aqualay sheet membrane system, which is specifically designed for balconies with fall, where the aim is to direct stick tiles. Our team start with cleaning and preparing the outdoor balcony area. Our team then install caulking and bond breakers to all movement joints. A sheet membrane is then fixed directly to the substrate with a specialised primer. Aqualay sheet membrane is installed to the floor area and upturns of the balcony. The balcony is now ready to be tiled. Aqualay has been brands tested to both AS 4654.1 and AS 4858. Australian Waterproofing Company partners with the major manufacturers who are committed to continually developing products that meet the Australian standards. Our team are determined to offer superior quality services. So, call us today and get the best long-term balcony waterproofing.